it's Caroline, and I'm back with another really quick video for you. I wanted to give you a preview of some of the projects that I've been working on that have been delayed because of our hotel stay due to the flood in our house. Yes, we are still in a hotel. That is happening. So this project that I'm working on, I'm using the Doodle Bug Made with Love collection, and I'm using the 12 by 12 paper pack, as well as the 12 by 12 Made with Love Petite Print Assortment Pack. And then I've also got, find this in here, the solids, the Made with Love solids. And I don't know if you guys have ever used the Doodle Bug solids on their paper packs, but they're really nice quality cardstock. They do have a texture to them, but I love that there is a perfectly matched and coordinated selection of papers to use for this project that I'm working on. Now, I'm going to give you a quick little sneak peek. Understand that it is not finished. I'm still trying to add a lot to it, but I wanted to give you an idea of what I've been working on. This is going to be perfectly fit for that 8x8 album I made to kind of highlight how I construct my albums. And so this is going to be for an 8x8 album. This is the cover that I've put together. And then I've just got the pieces here for the back. I haven't selected the paper that I want in the back yet, but I went ahead and kind of pieced together some of the papers to make it look like there was a table and put these on, and it says, "You bake me happy." And I love this collection so much. And then for the spine decoration, I was just going to carry this same pattern around. I don't know if I'm going to do it on the back, but so this would be the spine. And then I was going to put the Sweet Life little tag up here that I've attached a little ribbon to. And then I made a little table, a little three-legged table, and I just made it out of some oval dies and then hand cut what I looked like were maybe a leg shape. And I'm thinking I'm going to sit this down here, and then we'll put this cute little bouquet on top of it. Isn't that cute and fun? So anyway, that's what I've started working on here. I wanted to, like I said, give you a little preview of what I've got coming. This should have been done weeks ago, but life happened. If you don't know about this collection, you haven't seen it, I think it's been out for at least a year now. It's super cute. It also has recipe cards available. I am going to be using them as well, and a 6x6 pad. And so I will have a link below where you can find this collection if you don't already have it, but I figured some of you might have it in your stash. It's one of those that's so cute. If you're anything like me, you buy it and then maybe you didn't get to it yet. So anyway, I thought it would be really fun to create a baking cookbook for my kids and myself of all the things that we like to bake. I actually had a bakery once upon a time in a previous life, and I've got a lot of really fun little recipes that have become family favorites. And so I thought this was a good way for us to document that, take pictures of the kids making certain things, take pictures of the finished products, and then include the recipes so that we would have them all in one place. Okay, so now this is the other project that I've been working on that I was hoping to have out by now. It is also based on that same 8x8 album base. So if you didn't want to make a recipe album per se, I'm going to show you a version that's really got a whole different feel to it. This is using the beautiful exclusive paper collection from Country Craft Creations that I'm going to have linked in the description below. And I went ahead and die cut some really nice little pieces of ephemera out of glitter paper and mirrored paper and all sorts of things. This is just a really fun collection to work with. So I've got all my ephemera ready to go. I've got my pieces cut for my cover. This is the cover that I want to use. Isn't it so pretty? I also made some cute little flowers to go with this album as well, and was having a lot of fun making those before life interrupted everything. I just wanted to hop on really quick and show you a preview of some of the projects that I had started pre-house flood situation and let you know that I'm still working on them slowly but surely. Hopefully we'll have them up here for you pretty soon. I will have links in the description below for where you can find the papers and all the other supplies that I'm using. And I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.